So this is my chicken. I'm using liver, so I added liver enough. This is my ginger and garlic powder, dried ginger and garlic powder. This is my seasoning cube. This is Maggi cube. So I'm just going to break it in. This is salt for taste. So I'm just going to go ahead to add salt. This is pepper soup spice. I'm just going to go ahead to add my pepper soup spice, just a little bit. At this stage, I'm just going to add a little bit of the pepper soup spice. I'll add the rest later. So next, I'm going to add onion. This is onion. I'm using white onion. You can use the purple or red onion or any type of onion you have. So I'm going to add the white onion now. And this is pepper. This is Scotch bonnet, spicy hot atarodo pepper. This is just 2. I chopped it with knife because I didn't want to blend it. I just want to be seeing the particles in my pepper soup. So I'm just going to go ahead to add it. This is really spicy and hot, so 2 is enough. So at this point, I'm just going to mix it. I'm going to go ahead to mix everything. So at this point, I'm just going to cover this pot and allow this to sit here for 30 minutes, and I'll be right back. After 30 minutes, as you can see, it's been here for 30 minutes. I'm going to go ahead to add water. This is actually the water from the pepper I chopped earlier after rinsing it. So I'm just going to add water to be above the meat level. This has been sitting for 30 minutes, so there's really no need of, doing any other special seasoning or whatever. So just make sure the water is above the meat level, as you can see. Now the next thing is to turn on your gas. Just go ahead to turn on your gas. Next, you cover the pot and allow this to cook. You cover the pot and allow this to cook till the meat is soft. I'll be right back. I'm going to go ahead to prepare my agidi because I'm going to enjoy this chicken pepper soup with agidi, white agidi precisely. And this is corn pap. You all know corn pap, of course, and you know agidi is made from corn. So either you use the corn powder or corn flour to start from the scratch, or you just use your corn pap that's already processed, as you can see. This is frozen because I left it in my fridge. I'm just going to put it in a large bowl and mix it with cold water. So this is just how it looks like after losing it. As you can see, it's still blocked or chilled. So this is my pepper soup, as you can see. I'm using end of the spatula, wooden spatula for mixing. So let's just start with this one. And this is the pap. I already mixed together with water, as you can see. So now I'm going to go ahead to add it into the boiling water while keep stirring. You must keep stirring while you are adding your pap, so you don't have lumps in your agidi. Very necessary. You don't want to see lumps in your agidi. So you must keep stirring, making sure everything is in order. As I'm doing, looking at it, you can see exactly what I'm doing. So I just have to mix it and keep turning it. I have to keep turning it till this cook, because this pap has to cook. If you are looking at it, you can see it's already changing. It's becoming thick. While on the other side, my pepper soup is ready. As you can see, my pepper soup is ready. This is chicken pepper soup, and I'm enjoying this agidi with my chicken pepper soup. So don't forget to continue mixing. Do not remove your hand from this stage. You just have to keep mixing so you don't have lumps in your agidi. So mix it really well. As you can see, I'm mixing in one direction at this stage. So just keep mixing till you get a very thick and cooked consistency. And for you to know when it's ready, of course you have to take a scoop and put in cold water. Then you will see if it molds like agidi, then it's ready. But at this stage, I can see obviously it's not cooked, so I just have to keep mixing really well. I'm using two hands at this point because it's becoming really thick, as you can see. So this is the glass log I'm using for the agidi. So these are the glass logs.
Subscribe!